Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to do the service light reset on this 2013 Volkswagen Crafter. I'll just put the ignition on and show you what we've got. It's not actually due at the minute, but I'll just show you the warning's got 1100 miles to go, but we can reset that from now. So all we're going to do is turn the ignition off, turn the ignition on, press and hold the lower button there. Now that it's bleeped, press the upper button and just scroll through the menu there until you get to the service. Now while you're on the service, press the lower button again and you can now see that says reset done. Just let that clear. You can turn the ignition off. Turn it on again now, just see what we've got. I can just see that's it, it's clearly reset it. Once we've done a few miles, that'll reset the counter again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.